Want to earn over $150 a day effortlessly? Discover 3 legit apps that make it possible, starting with a play-to-earn platform where you can earn up to $120 per app or game installed. Stick around to find out how these platforms can boost your earnings even further. Ready to start? Let's dive in. First app, MyFreeApp. Let's begin with the first app on our list, MyFreeApp. You can find it at myfreeapp.io. Make sure you use the correct URL. MyFreeApp is a platform for play-to-earn games where you can discover various apps and games to install and earn money online. You can get paid for playing games, testing apps, completing tasks, and winning prizes. One of the highlights is that you can earn up to $120 for each app or game you install and complete, with your first reward typically available within just 1 hour. Additionally, MyFreeApp provides a wide range of payment options, including PayPal and numerous gift cards like Amazon, Spotify, Apple, and Google Play. You only need to earn $1 to make your first withdrawal through gift cards. To start earning money with MyFreeApp, simply sign up and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see various apps and games. Choose an app you want to install, read the task description to understand what needs to be done to earn money. Then install the app on your smartphone and complete the task as instructed. You'll then receive the payment in your account, which you can redeem through various payment options. The main limitation is that MyFreeApp is currently available only in select top-tier countries. Second app, Ipsos iSay. Ipsos iSay is a straightforward survey app and website that's available in over 70 countries, including India and the United States. This means you can earn money from nearly any country. Ipsos iSay allows you to earn money by completing online surveys. Additionally, it offers various payment options including Amazon, PayPal, and Starbucks gift cards, as well as direct payments to Visa debit cards. This ensures that even if PayPal isn't available in your country, you can still receive your earnings through Visa debit cards. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. You can download their app to your smartphone and begin earning money online. To start, simply sign up for the Ipsos iSay app using your email and phone number. After logging in, you'll need to fill out a brief profile questionnaire so Ipsos can match you with suitable surveys. If you find it challenging to locate surveys or other offers, you can turn to the third app on our list, which consistently provides offers, apps, games, and tasks to complete, regardless of your location. So, if the previous app, which I introduced earlier, called MyFreeApp, is not available in your country, why not try this platform? Third app, freecash.com. One of our subscribers from the United States has made over $130 with this app, while another from India has earned nearly $50, and a subscriber from Nepal has accumulated over $30. Many of our viewers from various countries have managed to earn more than $150 with this app. The app in question is freecash.com. You can sign up for Freecash at no cost. After logging in, you'll find a variety of apps, games, and offers to install, play games to earn money, complete simple surveys for quick cash, and engage in other tasks to make money online. I've already earned more than $85 in my Freecash account. So one significant advantage of the Freecash app is its wide variety of earning opportunities. Users can earn money not only by completing surveys, but also by installing and playing games, participating in offers, and completing various tasks. This diversity helps users find multiple ways to earn, which can lead to faster accumulation of rewards compared to apps with more limited earning options. Additionally, Freecash provides a straightforward and user-friendly interface, making it easy to use and start earning right away. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings with the Freecash app. First, complete profile surveys. Fill out your profile completely. This helps the app match you with more relevant and higher-paying surveys and offers. Second, check daily. Log in daily to check for new offers, tasks, and surveys. Freecash frequently updates its available tasks, and staying active increases your chances of finding higher-paying opportunities. Third, participate in offers. Beyond surveys, Freecash has various offers like signing up for services or trying new apps. These can sometimes offer higher rewards than standard surveys. Fourth, install and use the Freecash app. The app often provides notifications for new offers or special promotions. Keeping the app installed and checking notifications can help you stay on top of the best earning opportunities. Fifth, refer friends. Utilize the referral program to earn additional rewards. Share your referral link with friends and family. You'll earn bonuses when they sign up and complete tasks. Sixth, focus on high-paying tasks. Prioritize tasks and offers that provide the best reward-to-time ratio. Sometimes, certain surveys or offers might be more lucrative than others. Seventh, stay organized. Keep track of the tasks you've completed and any pending ones. This helps you follow up and ensure you receive all the rewards you've earned. Eighth, be honest. In surveys, ensure you provide accurate and honest responses in surveys. Dishonest answers can lead to disqualification and loss of potential earnings. Ninth, use multiple devices. If possible, use multiple devices to complete offers and surveys. This can help you maximize the number of tasks you can complete simultaneously. 10th, participate in contests and challenges. FreeCash occasionally runs contests or challenges with extra rewards. Participate in these to boost your earnings. So, in this video, we've explored 3 fast-paying apps that can help you earn over $150 a day effortlessly. First up is My Free App, a play-to-earn platform where you can install apps, play games, and complete tasks to earn money. You can make up to $120 per app and get paid through PayPal or various gift cards. The app is only available in select countries, but it's a great way to start earning with minimal effort. Next, we discussed Ipsos Ice, a survey app available in over 70 countries. You can earn money by completing surveys and receive payments via PayPal, gift cards, or directly to your Visa debit card. It's user-friendly and accessible worldwide, making it a versatile option for earning. Lastly, we introduced FreeCash.com, an app that offers a variety of tasks, games, and surveys to earn money. You can start for free and have the opportunity to earn significant rewards. With FreeCash, you can also access withdrawal proofs and even get bonus coins for creating content about the app. If you found these apps helpful, I'd love to hear from you. Which app are you most excited to try out and why? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more content on earning money online and other exciting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.